Lately, these watches have flooded social media. I'm sure you've seen at least one video about Tsar Bomba. Now, the brand reached out to me several times to work together, and to be honest, at first I hesitated a bit to work with them because I personally don't like homage watches, and they were making pieces very similar to Richard Mille. It would have been very hypocritical of me to criticize homage watches on one side, but on the other turn around and review one very positively. However, what I really liked was that the brand's representative gave me complete freedom to make my review. He mentioned that the homage watches are phasing out and that Tsar Bomba is going to start releasing original designs. Now, they might still draw some inspiration from pricier models, but to be honest, they have something very curious and different. Now, they sent me this watch called the Reactor, and if you notice, it looks like a spaceship on your wrist. Firstly, what I loved is that it is a completely different watch. Starting brands, as they are called, usually follow the same routine when releasing a watch. You get a generic case, you customize a dial, you get a basic movement, and there you go. You have your watch, go sell it. But if you look at this watch, it is completely different. The crystal is round, it has a different shape, and you can tell they put in a lot of effort in the design to create something different. The second thing that's curious and different about this watch and many others from this brand is that they are customizable and interchangeable. What do I mean by this? Well, basically that you can choose from thousands of combinations of materials, colors, straps, and crowns to make your watch just the way you like it. For example, the one that I have here features a forged carbon bezel, and you can change it for a gold one, silver one, or a colored bezel. They have all of the colors. And the same thing goes for the strap, and the same thing goes for the crown. You can change them for basically any color, and you could buy 20 different colored straps and switch everything around and literally have a different watch for every day of the year. Evidently, this watch was given to me by the brand, but I'm trying to be as impartial as possible, and believe me, it is very well built. I mean, even if you don't believe me, the images of the watch don't really lie. It's a watch with a robust build, it is made out of good materials, and even the connections for the bezel and the crown feel impressive. They don't feel flimsy. And I mean, to be able to achieve all of this, they must have done some research and development, of course, for all of the interchangeable parts, but also for all of the watch's design. The uniquely shaped crystal, and even the straps have a very different quick change system for what's standard of the industry. I mean, they are also irregular because, as you can see, the crown on top needs a groove on the strap, so all of this has to be different. Now, it's not a watch that gives you status, it's not a watch that will be recognized by the name of the dial, at least not yet, but it has a really attractive design. Basically, it's like a Hot Wheels car with a super cool design, and surely both you and I would love to drive around in a car that looks like a Hot Wheels. However, that's not how the world works, but I think that in this context it can be. Instead of wearing the typical watch with the typical hands and the round case, which, let's be real, 99% of watches are like, and it becomes monotonous. You have the chance to wear this entertaining different watch that will work as a conversation starter. Trust me, people are going to ask you about it, and they'll definitely want to know about the watch. You can even ask them, hey, tell me the time, because that's the tricky part. To read this watch, you need to know a bit of math, at least second grade, because it has 4 hands, and those indicate a number that sometimes you need to add to the numbers displayed on the bottom. For example, the number featured here is 3, and it has a plus, and you need to add 0.5, so that means it's almost 3:30. It's a simple mechanism, but it gets complicated because there's just a small window to tell the time. But for all its simplicity, the mechanism is entertaining. It's different and it's something we don't see every day, which is what I like the most about it. Sure, initially it might take you a bit of time to quickly read the time, but I think that if you're looking for something different and fun, this watch is definitely worth it. Now, the watch is big, the case is substantial, but above all, it feels even bigger because of the integrated straps, so be ready to get a big watch. Now, honestly, I really like the watch, and whether the brand gave it to me or not, I'm 100% sure my review would have been the same even if I bought it, even if I got it for my store, or if the brand sent it to me. Because in terms of construction, materials, and originality, the watch is extremely good. And believe me, I see a lot of watches each year. Having something different at a pretty reasonable price is refreshing. I mean, typically when you're looking for complicated different watches, you end up looking at watches that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But I believe that this watch offers a different touch to the world of watchmaking. But tell me, what do you think?